Hi y'all, and welcome back. Yes, you guys, I know I'm still in the same outfit with the same face that I had in the last two videos, but guess what? It's the same night. I'm just unboxing my beauty boxes for the month, and I wanted to share them with you. We're gonna be unboxing the Sephora Play box, you guys. I'm gonna hold it up right here, okay, because it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I post a video that you'll be the first one to get it. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead on and we're gonna unbox this box right here. This month's theme is stress busting. I'm an Aquarius, y'all. It says you are a breath of fresh air, bringing new ideas and excitement to those around you. Invite some friends over and show them that soon to be trending hairstyle. After the photo shoot, share your favorite hair mask with the group. Okay. Well, that's a good idea, but I'm not gonna be invite nobody over here, okay, you guys, because I ain't no hairstylist be over here making a mess. I do enjoy a good photo shoot, you guys. But anyway, my friends just have to settle for me sharing this video with them tonight. So let's go ahead on and tell you a little bit about this Sephora Play box, you guys. This Sephora Play bag, actually. It comes in this little cute little bag right here for $10 a month. For $10 a month. And it says, open me. Well, you guys, y'all know I'm impatient, so I've already opened it, peeked in, saw what was inside of the bag. First thing that I'm pulling out here is this Flower Bomb, Victor and Raw Flower Bomb. It's a perfume, and I'm gonna use it, you guys. It's just a little itty bitty little old thing. Y'all see that? It comes in one of those little bitty tubes, and this one looks like it's about half full or whatever. But anyway, it is a spray on, so that's nice. And it probably get about two good uses out of that. All right, we also have the Glam Glow here. That's a good product, y'all. That's that Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It's a mask, y'all. I'm looking forward to using this one. It says apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. Use as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week. I'm looking forward to using this product because this product it gets pretty good reviews. I see it everywhere. TJ Maxx and all those different places, and I see it in other influencer videos. So hey, I'm looking forward to trying that one. Then we have some FX Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Supposed to have a 24-hour wear. They say that on there. That ain't nothing I came up with. There's something they done said. Let's take it on out this box, you guys. Look at that. This is a fairly decent size sample. I'm pretty sure I'll get an opportunity to see whether this product actually does last for 24 hours. It's nothing like a good setting spray, you guys. Keep that makeup in place all day. We have this Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion, you guys. And I went online just to kind of see how people were using this. Now, I don't know. I'm going to use this product just to see if it does anything in particular for me, because I don't have a problem with redness as far as it goes with my skin. But I am going to use it just to see if it works out for me. And if it's a good product, I'll provide a review on it. Y'all know how I am. If it's not any good, you don't ever have to worry about hearing about it, okay? So if you never hear anything else about this product, just know that it didn't do nothing for me, and I done put it to the side, and I don't have nothing else to say about it, all right? Next, I have this Smashbox, the Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. The Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primers. You guys, I have a lot of primers, but I use them all. And so I'm looking forward to using this one, because if this one has a photo finish, you guys, I definitely want to make sure that I try it, because it may become a staple. Who knows? I might end up buying a bigger size. I actually like primers, y'all. I don't know if I'm a collector or what, but I just have a lot of them, and I'm definitely going to give this one a try. This is one that I have not tried in the past, but ooh, I'm so excited about it. And last but not least, we have this tattoo liner here, this Kat Von D that I said in an earlier video that I was not gonna review, y'all. I know I said I wasn't gonna even review the bag, but no. I came back and said I was gonna review the bag. I wasn't gonna let this little eyeliner ruin it for me, y'all. This eyeliner right here just seems that, I don't know if it's just the one that I got. This right here is in Trooper Black. Yeah, it's in Trooper Black. I don't know if mine is dry or what. I'm gonna swatch it. it shows up good on my hands, you guys. Maybe it's just not dark enough to show up that way on my eyes. It just didn't glide on as smooth as I would like, and it felt kind of dry and felt like it didn't really lay down too well. So I don't know, y'all. But I'm going to use it anyway. I know I'm going to end up using it anyway because I have a bad habit, you guys, of leaving the tops off of my liquid eyeliners. For some reason, they have like a little spring when you push into them. Can you see that? It's like a little spring there. And if you don't push them all the way in, they'll come out when you put them in your makeup bag, and when you come back, they'll be dry. Now, typically what you can do with that happens, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip, is that you can usually pull this out and you could turn it around on the other side. The other side is usually just as pointy as this side. I guess they're designing because they know that that does happen, but I do it, but it just seems like the liners are just never the same after, you know, you have to do that. It just seems like they are never the same. But anyway, it is a little bit of trick that you can use. You know, just throwing that out there for you. Let's go ahead on and sum up this here January 2020 Sephora Play box. All right, so this is some expensive perfume. So when I get a chance to open this up and spray it all over my body, I hope I be smelling like $1 million woman, because the full size seems to have about 3.4 fluid ounces in it. Yeah, about 3.4 fluid ounces. It retails for $165 a bottle. I estimate this is $1.94 worth of product in my hand. So next we have this Glam Glow Super Mud going for $59 in the full size. And I estimate that this is $17.35 worth of product right here in this tube, y'all. We have that Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, and they're saying that a full size goes for $31, and I estimate that we have $2.56 worth of product right here. And this Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience, this is by Dr. Andrew Well. I guess that's the way you say it. If I'm saying it wrong, y'all forgive me. Dr. Andrew, forgive me. Dr. Andrew, forgive me, okay? But anyway, it's for Origins. It's a soothing treatment lotion, and they're saying that the full size product goes for $35, and I estimate that we got $5.22 worth of product right here in our hand. We have this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Sephora says that the full size product is $36, and y'all, the full size product based on Sephora's website only has 1 ounce of product. 1 fluid ounce of product. This is 0.25 fluid ounces. So at that $36, we got $9 worth of product. We got a fourth of a full size. Y'all, that ain't bad, because I'm like, good gosh, that's pretty. It better work, y'all. That's $9 worth of product in that little old bitty tube, and y'all see it's just the size of my pinky finger there. This Kat Von D liner is definitely coming in a sample size. It's just a little bit longer than my middle finger right there. But anyway, they say a full size one of these is gonna run you, set you back, $20. And I estimate that, you know, it's $7.37 worth of product right here in my hand. So, Sephora Play promises us up to $65 in product for $10 a month. Again, that's up to $65 in product for $10 a month. And I estimate that my Sephora Play bag, box, whatever you want to call it, there's a lot going on right here, was roughly $41.50. That my estimated box value, or estimated bag value, whatever you want to call it, was roughly $41.50. So they promised me up to $65 in product. So I got about 64% of what they promised. That's not bad. That's more than 50%, y'all. Hey, it's more than nothing. I only paid $10 for the bag. And I know a lot of people say, hey, but you can go to Sephora and you can get these things for free. Or you can spend some points to get them too, y'all. You can spend some points to get them too. So, I know, because Sephora don't really be in there giving you no decent sample sizes. They're not going to give you a decent sample size like this unless they taking some of your points, some of your insider points. So, hey, $10 a month isn't always that bad. I like to save my insider points for a day when they really got something on there that I'm really interested in and that I really want and that I feel is really worth it. But anyway, y'all, this is my last unboxing of the night. If you have not had a chance to like, comment, subscribe, or share my videos with a friend. You should be sharing these videos with a friend, because if it ain't for you, it might be for somebody. You might not like my personality, and that's okay, but somebody else might love it. So if it's not for you, go ahead on and let somebody else know about it. Tell them, hey, look, just watch it. Just watch it. Just watch it once and see what this lady got going on, y'all. Because just if you ain't a blessing to somebody else, just be a blessing to me. Come on, be a blessing to me, y'all. So again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, y'all, so that the next time I post a video in another outfit with another face, that you'll be the first person to see it, all right? All right now, well, y'all go to bed, all right? Bye.